The Tourism Product Development Company has revealed that the party boat that capsized in Negril, Westmoreland over the weekend was operating illegally. TVJ News has also been informed that the police are far advanced in their investigations. Anthony Lugg has details.
The incident, which nearly caused mass casualties over the weekend in Negril, Westmoreland.
This party boat actually capsized.
This after unruly revelers moved offshore in an attempt to flout COVID-19 gathering restrictions, according to the police. The incident might have been frightening for those on board as well as onlookers, but what the investigation, which is ongoing, has revealed is also worrying. Ian Dare is board chairman of the Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO.
My understanding is that the operator was not licensed by the tourist board or the Tourism Product Development Company. So in effect, my understanding is that they were operating illegally.
The operators of the boat are to be charged by the police, who have confirmed that investigations are far advanced in relation to the breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. It's still not clear whether the vessel is certified by the Maritime Authority of Jamaica. But it's not the first time an unlicensed boat has been found carrying visitors. In December of 2018, 2 people died after the boat in which they were traveling capsized mid-waters. 11 other passengers, including the captain, had to be rescued by a Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard vessel. Thankfully, no lives were lost in last weekend's incident.
It just reinforces the position that, the reason why there is a TPDCO and a JTB licensing program along with all the other licensing regimes is that primarily it's there for the safety of our guests and the people that participate in those type of activities. And so we are imploring for everybody that is in the industry to follow the law, go through the process of being certified and being licensed, because at the end of the day, it protects you, it protects your customers.
In the meantime, head of the Westmoreland Police Division, Superintendent Robert Gordon, says they'll be strategic and will continue to prosecute those who continue to breach the Disaster Risk Management Act, whether on land or sea. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.